Hello students, in the last video we have learned some definitions, examples and truth tables of propositions. In this video we will discuss the logical equivalence of the propositions. Okay. First, well-formed formulas. Well-formed formulas. So what is meant by well-formed formula? A statement formula is an expression denoted by a string of variables, parentheses, and connective symbols. Okay, this is statement formula. Okay, that is an expression denoted by a string of variables, parentheses, and connective symbols. You know that connective symbols means negation and or implies by implies. These are connectives. Okay, a well-formed formula can be generated by the following rules. A statement variable standing alone is a well-formed formula. A statement variable standing alone is a well-formed formula. WFF means well-formed formula. Okay. So if A is a well-formed formula, then negation A is also a well-formed formula. Okay. Next, if A and B are well-formed formulas, then A or B, A and B, A implies B, and A by implies B. These are also well-formed formulas. Okay. Understand well-formed formula that can be generated by using these rules. A statement variable standing alone is simply a well-formed formula. And if A is a well-formed formula, then its negation is also a well-formed formula. And if A and B are two well-formed formulas, then A or B, A and B, A implies B, A by implies B are well-formed formulas. Okay. See the examples for well-formed formulas. Negation of P or Q, negation P and negation Q. P implies negation of P or Q. These are some examples of well-formed formulas. Next, definition, tautology. What is meant by tautology? A compound proposition which is always true is called tautology. Okay. A compound proposition which is always true is called tautology. Okay. Next definition, contradiction. Contradiction means compound proposition that is always false. Okay, a compound proposition that is always false is called contradiction. Okay. Next definition, contingency. Contingency means that is neither tautology nor contradiction. Okay. A proposition which is neither tautology nor a contradiction is called contingency. Okay. See a simple example for tautology and contradiction. Okay. See the truth table. P negation P, P or negation P, P and negation P. Okay. Consider the truth table. Write the truth values of P, T, F. Negation means its opposite, that is F, T. P or negation P. R means disjunction. Disjunction is false only when both the statements are false. T, F, T, F, T, T. Okay. Next, P and negation P. This is conjunction. This is true only when both the statements are true. Okay. T, F, 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 T, F. Observe that P or negation P is always true. P and negation P is always false. Okay. And hence P or negation P is a tautology. P and negation P is a contradiction. Okay. Next definition, logical equivalence. Logical equivalence. Two propositions P and Q. Two propositions P and Q are said to be logically equivalent. If P by implies Q is a tautology. If P by implies Q is a tautology, then we say that P and Q are logically equivalent. Okay, that means this by implication is tautology. Or equivalently, we can say that P and Q are having the same truth values. Okay, then also P and Q are logically equivalent. Okay. See an example for logical equivalence. Problem. Show that the propositions negation of P or Q and negation P and negation Q are logically equivalent. See the solution. We have to show that negation of P or Q and negation P and negation Q are logically equivalent. To show this, first you have to construct truth table for negation of P or Q and negation P and negation Q. If they are having the same truth values, then they are logically equivalent. Okay. Consider the truth table. P, Q, P or Q, negation of P or Q, negation P, negation Q, negation P and negation Q. Okay. So write the possible truth values of PQ, TT, TF, FT, FF. PRQ. PRQ means rejection. Rejection is false when both the statements are false. TT, TF, FT, FF, F. Since both are false. Okay. Next, negation of PRQ. Its opposite truth values. F, T. Okay. Next, negation P. Negation P means that is opposite truth values of P. Okay. FF, TT. Next, negation Q. Its opposite truth values. F, T, F, T. Okay. Now negation P and negation Q. This is conjunction, and you know that conjunction is true only when both the statements are true. Okay. FF, FT, TF, TT, T. To show that two proportions are logically equivalent, then by implication between them is tautology. Or equivalently, you can say that the given proportions are having same truth values. Observe here, negation of P or Q. What are the truth values? F, T. Now, truth values of negation P and negation Q. F, and T. Since these two are having the same truth values, they are logically equivalent. Okay. Since the truth values of negation of P or Q and negation P and negation Q are same, they are logically, that means these proportions are logically equivalent. Understand? Next problem. Show that the propositions P implies Q and negation P or Q are logically equivalent. To show that these two are logically equivalent, you have to construct truth table, and if they are having same truth values, then they are logically equivalent. Okay. Construct the truth table for this. P, Q, P implies Q, negation P or Q. Let's write the possible truth values of PQ, TT, TF, FT, FF. Okay. P implies Q. You know that implication is false when P is true, Q is false. Okay. TT, TF, FT, T, FF, T. Okay. Negation P, opposite truth values of P. That is FF, TT. Okay. Its opposite truth values FF, TT. Next, negation P or Q. This is disjunction. We know that disjunction is false only when both the statements are false. Negation P, Q. TF, T, FF, F, TT, T, FT, T. Okay. Observe the truth values of P implies Q and negation P or Q. Okay. See the truth values TF, TT, TF, TT. Since they are having the same truth values, they are logically equivalent. Okay. Since P implies Q and negation P or Q are having same truth values, they are logically equivalent. Okay. Next problem. Show that the formulas or proportions PR, Q and R and PRQ and PRR are logically equivalent. To show that these two are logically equivalent, we have to construct a truth table. See the solution. Construct the truth table first. Write the possible truth values of PQR, T, 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 F, T, F, T, T, F, 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 T, T, F, T, F, 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 T, F, F, F. These are the possible truth values of PQR. Next, Q and R. This means conjunction. You know that conjunction is true only when both the statements are true. Okay. Q and R. T, 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 F, 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 T, F, 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 T, 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 F, 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 T, F, 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 F. Okay. Next, PR, Q and R. This is disjunction between P and Q and R. Okay. Disjunction is false when both the statements are false. Okay. PR, Q and R. T, 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 TF, T, TF, T, TF, T, FT, T, FF, F, FF, F, FF, F. Next, PRQ. PRQ. This is disjunction between P and Q. You know that disjunction is false and both the statements are false. Okay. PRQ. TT, T, TT, T, TF, T, TF, T, FT, T, FT, T, FF, F, FF, F. Next, PRR. PRR. This is also disjunction. TT, T, TF, T, TT, T, TF, T, FT, T, FF, F, FT, T, FF, F. Okay. The last one, PRQ and PRR. This is conjunction between PRQ and PRR. You know that conjunction is true when both the statements are true. Okay. See the conjunction between these two. TT, T, TT, T, TT, T, TT, T, TT, T, TF, F, FT, F, FF, F. Okay. Now observe the columns, fifth column and the last column. PR, Q and R. See the truth values. T, 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 F, F, F. Last column. T, 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 F, F, F. Since PR, Q and R and PRQ and PRR are having the same truth values, they are logically equivalent. Since PR, Q and R and PRQ and PRR having the same truth values, having the same truth values, they are logically equivalent. They are logically equivalent. Okay. Okay, students, please do subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.